Hi friends, today we are going to see some 50 phrases in German. So these are very basic phrases and they are useful in day-to-day life. So we'll start with the video. I will share one screen with you. Then you will be able to understand what are the phrases. What are these 50 phrases? So I have gathered these phrases. These are very useful and very common, you can say. Now, first one is hallo. Hallo is hello. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Abend, good evening. Gute Nacht, good night. Depending on the day, depending on the timing of the day, you can say this, you can say phrases or greetings. To greet each other, these phrases are used. Auf Wiedersehen. You must have heard this phrase very often. Auf Wiedersehen is goodbye. Tschüss is bye. This is like informal way of saying bye. Wie geht es is how are you? Mir geht es gut. I am good. Bitte is please. Danke is thank you. Vielen Dank is thank you so much. Bitte schön, you are welcome. Es tut mir leid. I am sorry. Now for basic communication, which are the phrases we are going to see? Sprechen Sie English? Do you speak English? Ich heiße. My name is. Wie heißen Sie? What is your name? Woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? Ich bin Jahre alt. I am so and so years old. Ja is yes. Nein is no. Was ist das? What is this? Hilfe is help. This is very important phrase. Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Langsam bitte is slowly please. Please go slow. Wiederholen Sie bitte. Or you can ask wie bitte also, meaning please repeat it. This is a polite way of asking someone to repeat. Now some travel related phrases we'll see. Wo ist, where is some place if you want to ask someone. Then you can ask like wo ist, where is. Wie komme ich dort hin? How do I get there? Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? Die Rechnung bitte. The bill please. Rechnung is bill. Bus. Bus is bus. Though the spelling is same, pronunciation will be Bus. Zug is train. Bahnhof is train station. Flug is flight. Flughafen is airport. Now some phrases related to dining and shopping. Guten Appetit. Enjoy your meal. Lecker is delicious. Ich möchte kaufen, meaning I would like to buy something. Kaufen is to buy. Einen Moment bitte. One moment please. Das ist für Sie. This is for you. Now few useful expressions or phrases we are going to see. Toll is great or awesome. If someone asks you, wie geht es? So you can say toll, or it is like great, awesome. Then wirklich, if you want to ask someone really, it is wirklich. Alles klar is all right or understood. Alles klar. Das ist in Ordnung. That's okay. Ich auch. Me too. Ich auch. Ich auch nicht, meaning me neither. Keine Ahnung is no idea. Keine Ahnung. Ahnung meaning no idea. Here you can say Ich habe keine Ahnung also. That is also correct. Or in short, you can say keine Ahnung. No idea. Ich habe Hunger, meaning I am hungry. Ich bin müde. I am tired. Or if you want to say about weather, you can say es ist kalt. It is cold. Or es ist heiß. It is hot. So these are few phrases, some 50 phrases. So these are very useful for basic conversation and in day-to-day life. So I hope this is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.